Langs is a neighborhood-based organization. We've been around since 1978. We offer a wide range of programs and services for all ages, from prenatal care right up to seniors programs. We have a youth and teen center that offers drop-in programs, a breakfast club, after-school programs, and during the day, a seventh inning education program where kids that are not coping well in regular school come to school at the youth and teen center. At the early years programs, you'll see preschool enrichment programs, childcare is provided. A great program is School's Cool, so that helps prepare kids that are going into kindergarten and getting ready for school. Community involvement, I think that's what defines a community. That's what we're all about. That's the raison d'etre of our organization. That's our purpose and why we're here. It's to get the community involved and take responsibility for their own health and well-being. To do that, we need to provide them a range of accessible programs and services, and that's why in this new location we have 21 different agencies on site that provide services in addition to what Langs provides. There's endless opportunities to volunteer. www.langs.org. Check it out.